Welcome. In front of me is a T-tablet from T-Mobile, and today I'll show you how we can go through the setup process of this device. Now, before I get started with the actual process, I am going to quickly mention there is going to be a slight difference between the setup that you will see and the setup that I will see. The thing that I will have different is the fact that for me the device is locked, so I will need to sign into my Wi-Fi and verify the Google account that was previously logged in, unless after connecting to network it disappears for some reason, but I don't think so. So anyway, other than that, everything will be the same. The only difference is to specify it, I will need to connect to Wi-Fi, while you can skip it if you want to. And additionally, when you get to the Google login page, for me it will say to verify my Google account. For you, it's just going to be an optional sign-in, assuming you have connected to your Wi-Fi. Now, that being said, to get started, you will have the language selection page right here as the first page. So in here, on the first little option, you want to find your desired language. Now for me, it's selected English, so that's correct. And then we can select Start. Now it will start looking for SIM card so it can connect to mobile network. I don't really care for that, so I'm going to select Skip. Next, we have the Wi-Fi connection page. Now I do have the option to set it up offline. I'm going to check what's going to happen if I press on it, even though it's technically locked. Continue. So because I selected to not connect to Wi-Fi, which for some reason I can, even though the device, I keep mentioning, is locked, when you do so, the date and time will not be set automatically because that is being set up by network connection. And next thing is I most likely won't have the Google login page. Next, here we have the navigation style for device. We have 3-button navigation or gesture navigation. I'm gonna stick with the gesture, that's what I prefer. Next we have getting your tablet ready and not signed in. So yeah, I need to go back. I was afraid that it's gonna do this stupid thing. So I am gonna need to connect to network, unfortunately. Okay. So after connecting to network, it's gonna start getting your tablet ready. AKA, what it means by getting your tablet ready is it's going to be connecting to Google servers and basically syncing every kind of data that it possibly can to know if everything is as Google planned it to be. Okay, so after connecting, you actually have the option to copy apps and data, even though I haven't verified the device yet, which is a bit of a weird thing, but you can restore a Google backup onto the device if you want to. I'm going to select the don't copy option. Okay, so even though it's locked, it's not telling me to verify anything, so I'm gonna select Skip. Skip. Now, for people that might be wondering, what might have happened, which I'm not necessarily sure, is if I have connected to the same network, it could be that the device knows that it's the same network and it just allows me to not verify it because I technically already did it by connecting to the exact same network that the device connected initially before the reset. Now, anyway, with that being said, next page we have some Google services. So we have things like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. Now you can turn those off, but let's be honest, it's Google with their mentality. So by you disabling this, it probably means nothing because only on your end you can see that it's not gathering, but Google most likely won't give up all the data just like that. So let's be honest, it's most certainly gathering data in the background without your knowledge or permission. Next we can select our search engine. Now we do have a plethora of choices right here. Choose whichever one you want. Next. We have our, again, gesture navigation or button navigation. And then we can set up some kind of screen lock to our device. Now you have a couple options. You have the PIN, which is 4-digit PIN. You also have the pattern or password, which you can select right here. Or if you don't want to protect your device, you can select skip. Some more Google trash, so I'm going to disable all of it. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.